Hey, welcome back to another video of eTechs. In this video, we are going to learn how to talk in Character AI. To talk in Character AI, simply follow these steps. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Character AI and log into your account. Choose an existing character or create a custom character with unique personality and backstory. In the chat window, type your message. The AI will respond based on the character personality and the conversation context. You can direct the conversation by providing context or asking specific questions. Continue the conversation by replying to the AI responses. You can roleplay by creating scenario, giving commands, or having casual conversation. If you want more specific conversation, give feedback or adjust your prompts. So that is how you can talk in Character AI. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.